backing up. That's all it is. When the dog's head is at your left knee, it's called tails. See, that's easy.
Heads and tails.
Yeah, that's easy.
Heads.
Here we have the heeling with the twist and twirl. Come here, honey. And then they just turn. And then we just turn. That's twist and twirl. So that's easy. Good job.
That's twist and twirl.
Okay, so here's the weave. Okay. Yeah, you just have to keep her busy. That's very nice. Turn and face. That was not turn.
That was not. Good.
Face her.
Very good.
Okay, you're turning. When the dog's here, all you're going to do is you both turn and face each other.
Okay.
Here. You're turning all the way around.
Okay. Okay.
Turn and face each other. Both of you facing now. Go to that. Okay. Yeah, you got it. Turn and face each other. You got it. Good. Now she's calming down. Good girl. Turn and face each other. Good job. Okay. So that changes the dog from the left to the right. So what I did with you now, if the dog's on the left side, and say you want to get the dog on the right side, when you're walking, have the dog come through, that's a weave, and now it's on the right side. Have it come through here, and it's on the left side. Because when you're moving in dance, you don't stay on the same side the whole time. There'll be places where you want to go. So heel, okay, heel. Put your right foot out. Come in. There. Now walk. We're not going to. So let's heel. Come over in here. Good. So there's your weave, taking her to the right side. And there's your weave. Get in there. And there she is on the left side. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Here, honey. Can you see it this way? You want me to turn around? Here's a weave. Good weave. And now we're going to go to the weave on the left side. Great. That was great. You want to show them your figure eight? Here's the figure eight. Ready? Come here. Good girl. Let's just start it. There's your figure eight. There's your figure eight. And we stop on heel position either side. Good. She's on your left. Okay? So let's try now the figure eight. You put your legs apart. And start on your heel side. Either heel side. And she knows what a figure eight is.
Yep.
Spread your legs out so she has room. And have her go through. And I have her sweeping her hands. Great. Good. Yes. Great. Very nice. Okay. So in dancing, you want to have a command for everything you teach, because when you put a routine together or you video to be in a competition, you can't increase if they don't want hand signals. Now, in the beginner, you can have some hand signals, so they do it. But the whole idea is that you just talk to the dog. I'm at the highest level of the puppy, so I can't have that signal. You want to make your arms look like your dancing arms, and I'm not a dancer, so you want to teach your dog so when you say weave, they go, oh, I know what to do. I know what a figure eight is. Okay? All right.